difference between life or death comes down to a split second, this is the team that gets the call.
We saved the hostage, period. That's the job.
Let's keep the peace.
Flashpoint returns with new episode CBS Friday, January 9th.
Good afternoon from CBS News. This is Newsbreak. OPEC says it's cutting oil production, but the price still fell below $40 a barrel. Congress wants to know why the SEC ignored warnings that Bernard Madoff was involved in a massive securities fraud. President-elect Obama has chosen former Iowa Governor Tom Vilsack as Agriculture Secretary and Colorado Senator Ken Salazar to lead Interior. And more than 1 out of 6 American homes have no landline phone, relying only on a cell. Now this.
Mom has a lot to do. Very busy.
Okay, bye.
Hi.
Introducing Glade Fabric and Air. It penetrates deeper than Febreze on carpet and gives you longer-lasting freshness throughout your home.
Thank you.
Smells amazing in here.
Must have been cleaning all day.
Yeah, well, aren't you glad?
Glad. Don't you mean Glade?
For longer-lasting freshness, use new Fabric and Air.
It's new, and yes, it's Glade.
S.C. Johnson, a family company.
I'm Priya David. Tonight on the CBS Evening News with Katie Couric, with holiday music in the air, we'll show you the largest playable pipe organ in the world. It's not in a church or a concert.
WPEC CBS 12 West Palm Beach is conducting a test of the emergency alert system.